Understanding organizational structure, a comprehensive guide. An organizational structure serves as the backbone of any organization, defining how activities are directed towards achieving its goals. This encompasses the delineation of roles, responsibilities, and a clear hierarchy. Understanding the nuances of organizational structures can lead to improved efficiency, focus, and clarity within a company. This article delves deeper into various forms of organizational structures, their benefits, and the principles behind them. What is organizational structure? At its core, organizational structure outlines how different activities are coordinated within an organization. It determines how jobs are grouped, the reporting relationships among roles, and how information flows throughout the organization. The absence of a well-defined structure can lead to chaos, as employees may find it challenging to ascertain whom to report to or who to collaborate with on specific tasks. Key takeaways. Defines roles and responsibilities. Facilitates information flow. Can be centralized or decentralized. Varies across industries, businesses, and goals. The importance of organizational structure. An effective organizational structure provides clarity and direction. Here are some of its core benefits. 1. Enhanced clarity. Employees know their specific roles and can understand who to approach for guidance or collaboration. 2. Operational efficiency. By organizing tasks into departments, companies can operate more efficiently, minimizing redundancy and improving performance. 3. Decision-making process. A defined structure clarifies the modalities of how decisions are made, whether by upper management or through a more collaborative approach. Centralized versus decentralized structures. Centralized structure. A centralized structure has a well-defined hierarchy and a chain of command, where decision-making authority resides at the top levels of management. For example, large organizations like the military often utilize a centralized model where commands and decisions flow downwards. Decentralized structure. Conversely, a decentralized structure distributes decision-making power across multiple levels of the organization. This approach allows mid-level managers and employees more freedom to contribute to the decision-making process. Companies like Johnson & Johnson and Spotify exemplify this model, allowing various units and teams to operate autonomously. Common types of organizational structures. Organizations can choose from several structures based on their needs and industry demands. Here are some prevalent types. 1. Functional structure. Description: divides the organization into specialized departments, such as marketing, sales, and operations. Ideal for small to medium-sized businesses aiming for efficiency through specialization. 2. Divisional structure. Description: organizations are segmented based on product lines or geographical regions. Each division operates as an independent entity. Ideal for large corporations with diverse product lines, such as Johnson & Johnson. 3. Team-based structure. Description: focuses on collaboration among teams that are assembled for specific projects or goals, incorporating both leaders and members into distinct units. Ideal for organizations requiring rapid development cycles and project-based work. 4. Flatarchy structure. Description: combines flat and hierarchical structures, offering employees a high level of autonomy with reduced layers of management. Ideal for startups or creative organizations that thrive on innovation and rapid implementation. 5. Matrix structure. Description: employees report to multiple managers, often across different projects or departments. This structure enhances flexibility but can lead to confusion regarding authority. Ideal for organizations requiring collaboration between different departments on various projects. 6. Circular structure. Description: hierarchies appear in circular patterns, promoting open communication and collaboration by placing higher management at the center. Ideal for organizations emphasizing teamwork and shared goals. 7. Network structure. Description: it utilizes a core company that outsources various operations to third-party vendors or contractors. The structure features a small headquarters with distributed functions. Ideal for companies aiming for lean operations while leveraging external expertise. Benefits of organizational structures. Implementing a robust organizational structure provides several advantages. Clear pay structure establishes salary grades and ranges based on roles. Operational efficiency facilitates simultaneous operations across various functions. Guides employee performance, clarifies expectations regarding individual contributions and promotes accountability. Conclusions. Choosing the right organizational structure is crucial for the success of any business. Senior leaders must assess their unique goals, market conditions, and organizational culture. Understanding various structures and their implications can lead to more informed decisions, ultimately driving productivity and growth. There is no universally best structure, rather, companies must align their organizational framework with their operational needs and strategic objectives. By doing so, organizations can foster an environment that not only meets operational demands but also encourages innovation and collaboration.